here. Feels like, what do you think? It's like 40 degrees right now?
I suppose it's 40 degrees or so, but it's the wind that's a little bit bothersome.
The chill factor is 32 degrees. 32 degrees chill factor with a 14 knot wind.
Little breezy.
The coffee, it was hot coffee when I got this, and I think it's iced coffee by now.
Yeah, it's iced coffee. Yes, it is, but it'll keep you warm.
43 degrees. It's 43 degrees here.
Yeah.
Wind chill?
No, that's not the wind chill.
No.
32 is the wind
32.
chill. Yeah, 32, 33 is the wind chill.
Feels like 34.
Yeah. I'm one digit off.
Sounds good. Yes.
Fair and windy, but it's cold enough.
Oh, boy. Yeah, 40,
Your
43
mother's
with a
running around
wind
without a
chill
big jacket
to
on.
34.
She must be got some thick blood.
Good morning. How are you doing in this warm weather?
Oh, it's freezing, but we're here. And we're about to get run over too. Okay, no more. Now we're not. Yell at that guy, he didn't clean his car. Where the hell's it? Yeah, but his look how dirty that. Get the hell out. Get that thing out of here.
This is the car show on Eastern, hosted by Celebrity Cars. We are here every Saturday from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Rain or shine.
And not the day before Christmas.
No, on Thanksgiving.
Or no, Thanksgiving's fine. I'll be here Thanksgiving.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't care about that.
All right.
All right, hi dear. What's up, buddy?
Hi.
I know we're freezing our asses off.
Do we have any plan a day before Christmas this year?
Are we doing the show? Is that the day before? Is that when the show is this year? I don't know. I think we're gonna do. We're gonna have everybody over to the showroom.
Oh, sounds exciting.
Scott's plan was have everybody inside. If anybody's missing out on doing this, we'll just do that for a little bit and then head home.
So everybody's invited?
Everybody's invited.
Same time as usual, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Yep. Sounds good.
Check out the dealership on Dean Martin.
Dean Martin, 7770 Dean Martin Drive.
Merry Christmas, Santa!
Same to you.